To have seeds that last, I'd say that there are 4 things that are important. One is to get your seeds from a really good supplier where you trust that they're looking after their seed and they haven't been sitting on shelves for years in a hot, dusty old warehouse somewhere. And then to keep them fresh, the things that a seed needs is to be dry, to be in the dark, and to be cool and at a constant temperature. Now this does not give my seeds that, and partly because I'm a bit chaotic, so you may be better than me, but what's happened with me and this box of seeds here is that I know I often took the whole tin out into the garden, stuck it on the table while I was sowing modules or sowing seeds. They got blazed by the sun, sometimes it rained, or I poured my watering can all over them, and they certainly didn't keep at a constant temperature. They were getting hot and cold outside, and even more than that, I kept them often in the conservatory here, which we've put our roof on this year, which is brilliant, but last year I didn't have a roof on, and that meant that some days they were getting boiled by the heat in here, and other days it was absolutely freezing. So I'm left with an awful lot of seeds, some of which are varieties I do want to grow again, but I don't trust that they are going to be okay. So for this 1 year I will be disposing of quite a few seeds so that I know I'm starting with fresh stock that I'm looking after properly, that I've got organised, and I can trust in future years that I'm going to get a crop out of the seeds that I've stored and save myself a whole load of money on seeds too. We're going to move to this new system, which is a solid plastic box that I've bought, and then inside we've got some inner sealed boxes as well, and there are 6 of them. So let me get one out and show you. So here's one of the inner boxes, and people use these a lot for photography storage, but they look brilliant for seeds, and I know they're plastic, and in an ideal world I'd love this not to be plastic, but it's not single-use plastic. This is tough, it will last for ages, hygienic, I'll be able to put it in the fridge happily, wipe it down, and what it's going to do is give me the ability not just to store my seeds and keep them dry, but also to use the 6 compartments to organise my growing and make things a little bit simpler this year. So I'm really pleased with this system, and I'm going to set it up now and show you how I'm doing it for me, and hopefully that gives you some ideas on not just how to store your seeds, but how to get organised and make your sowing a little bit easier this year. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to go through all my seed packets and work out which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to get rid of.